Taurify is the new product from Crab Nebula. It will take whatever web app you have and wrap within a Tauri shell with no need to learn Rust at all. In this case, we are taking a solid app powered by Vite. In order to have an installable binary, all you need is a configuration JSON. You can define specific tasks for your development and production environments. And with a few key configurations, you are ready to build to every platform, mobile or desktop. On top of that, Taurify is a CLI that will guide you through creating that configuration file if you need through the Taurify init command. Though, in most cases, all you need to do is run the executable binary with npx or any similar package manager to see your web app working as a native one. And on top of that, Taurify will set up Crab Nebula DevTools for you. So debugging and inspecting your native code is as easy as your web code. By accessing the web application of the DevTools, you can then see it connected to the gRPC stream. And this is all just the tip of the iceberg. With just a little configuration, Taurify can provide your app with a Node-compatible runtime through Dino. And here we have a Dino app. You can quickly identify that by the Dino JSON file, which is a bit different from package.json. We have tasks instead of scripts, imports instead of dependencies, and it has a multi-registry support out of the box. Besides that, native TypeScript support, so you can quickly notice it's a React app by the types and the JSX parser. This app has two components, a client and a server. The server part is a Hono server. It's written straight up in TypeScript without a compilation step. We have this fetcher endpoint that will return a string on any GET request. The client is a React starter app with Vite. Notice we have some special native logic using the Taurify API. This will likely break in your browser if left alone, which is why we only use this when the Taurify namespace is available in your global scope. So in the browser, we don't see any button for our notification logic. Once you're done testing, you can run the build command. This command builds your front-end code locally and pushes the artifacts to the Taurify service, where it will become a Tauri app. And a macOS build with the Dino runtime bundled clocks at about 40 megabytes, ready to go. Taurify enables you to keep your app up to date with over-the-air updates. These are special kinds of updates. They are able to replace your built artifact within the same Tauri app. This way, your build processes will take minimal compilation time as it does not rebuild the native code if not needed. All you need to do is bump your app's version in the package.json or Dino.json and run Taurify build again. Once a new update arrives and is released, you can run the updater check method within your own runtime, and that will return a JSON with the new release information if it's present. This way, you can prompt the user to keep their app up to date with your features and patches. Learn more at taurify.app.